Last week I made these amazing chocolate fudges, so I want to experiment and do a 2-layer kind of marble with butterscotch and chocolate. So for our chocolate bits, the chocolate has to be 350 grams of dark chocolate, but because I want to do layer, I'm going to have to half this, so 175 grams of each. So it was 175 of the dark chocolate and 175 of mix of butterscotch and white chocolate, and in a bigger saucepan 150 milliliters of evaporated milk and 350 grams of sugar. Just mix that up until it melts. Well, it has to boil as well, but make sure the sugar melts, otherwise your truffle if your fudge is gonna be crispy. Like, have you ever had fudge and it was like crunchy? It's because the sugar did not melt completely. So I'm about to start seeing boiling, and I got a second bowl where I'm gonna pour in half of it because we want to do two different colors, so cannot mix the two chocolates together. So I'm adding my dark chocolate to the first batch, and now I'm on low heat because I do not want to burn this dark chocolate. There's nothing nastier than burned dark chocolate. It is so disgusting. You don't want that. So low and slow. It's gonna take about 2 minutes kind of until it's all melted. We're almost getting there, almost there. And I have prepared a parchment paper in a pound cake sheet because I like my truffle. Why do you keep saying truffle? I like my fudge to be a little thicker, taller. You can also do like a regular 8x8, but it's gonna be kind of thin. I don't like that. I like it to be a little thicker. Now I cleaned out my saucepan a little bit. It's still really hot, so I was not able to clean out everything, and I poured in my second part of the evaporated milk sugar mixture, and then I'm adding in the white chocolate and butterscotch chocolate chips. Now the butterscotch chocolate chips will melt very fast, very easy. The whites took some time. It took a little longer, but again, low and slow. Everything is gonna melt eventually. The white chocolate took me about like 6 minutes to melt, but we're almost there, and this is pretty much done. There's still little bits in it, and I'm just impatient. I'm ready to go, and this goes right on top of the dark chocolate fudge. You can leave it in layers, so you have like 2 separate layers, or you can do some marbling, which is really easy. You just put your spoon or spatula in and then make like S-shape swirls. Not too much. If you do too much, it's gonna blend it too much. But I just did a couple because it's still hot, it's still melting, so I didn't want it to like all melt together too much. I think my marbling was not as visible as I imagined, but it was a little visible. I let it sit overnight. If you need it the same day, then maybe make it in the morning, and then it will be ready at night if you want to take these to a party. But oh my goodness, these were so delicious. The butterscotch on top was like caramel, I don't know how to explain it. I don't know if there's a candy like that in America, but it was absolutely delicious. Like these caramelly fudgy. Oh, it's so good. Like, these are dangerous to make, so don't make this for yourself or you're gonna eat the whole thing. Make it when you're gonna go see friends and enjoy.